Yeah, hi, I'm Steve from Limestone Australia, and we're here at the Melbourne Home Show, and want to show you some of our products that we've got here demonstrated. So we've got all limestones from all around Australia. This is our Shale Limestone, which is a South Australian limestone. It's got beautiful shell fragments through it. It's what we call a coralline limestone, so it's formed below sea level, so it's a very beautiful natural sort of stone. We have other stones in here. This is our Oyster Limestone. Now, Oyster Limestone is also a coralline limestone, or formed below sea level. So you see a lot of sea fragments all the way through it, or shell fragments and all sorts of other things. It comes as a tile or as a cladding, the same as all our products that are here. And it's very beautiful in a soft sort of grey sort of tone. On the floor here is also one of our products, which is a reconstituted limestone, which either comes as a block or as a solid walling stone, a cladding stone. It's a reconstituted because it's been actually reformed again with cement and formed back into a block that you see it here is a cladding. We then have this stone, which is out of Western Australia, which is our cream limestone, and our cream limestone is actually formed through deposits of limestone, as in sand dunes that are actually formed into stone. And this one comes as both a cladding, as all our stone, as well as solid block. It has these beautiful, lovely textures through it that actually bring out pieces of fossilized stone and fossilized wood and everything else. Then around here is also our other limestone, which is called our Biscuit Limestone. And our Biscuit Limestone is similar to our cream limestones. It has the same textures that you sort of see through it. But it has this beautiful sort of bedding of grain through the stone, and very natural. With all our stones, we do full L-shaped pieces, so that the stone actually can wrap around it. So whilst it's claddings, it also has that profile that can go around the edges of the walls, to give you the full limestone, full solid stone. We then have part of our stone is also our rustic sort of claddings, which we've got here on this wall here, which are just various sort of shapes, claddings in various forms and thicknesses, from 30 to 60 mil thick, which makes a lovely sort of rustic sort of wall. And then finally we have our mosaic patterns, which we have here in our shell, which is in our white stones that we've got here. This a cladding, as you can sort of see on the front here, but just formed and shaped by the stonemasons on site to form blocks and everything else. So that's pretty much sort of our range, but we've got lots of different variations to it. So if you want to get us on our website, it's limestoneaustralia.com.au. Thank you.